What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Bandito here with Lottery Science, where we beat the odds of the lottery, and that's a whole science to it. So right now I got my Jupyter notebook open, and of course we're going to be using the power of Python to go ahead and beat the lottery odds. So I live in the great state of Texas, and it seems that the major algorithm that I've made works best with the Cash 5. So let's go ahead and open up Cash 5. And again, this is a short form video, okay? There's gonna be another video where we dive into the whole science behind the algorithm, but this is the Cash 5 lottery right here. So let's scroll down to the working algorithm here. All right, so this is where we're gonna start off at right here. So we're going to import a few libraries right here. We're going to grab the CSV from the Texas Lottery website. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and rename a few things. Game, month, day, year, and then we're going to label the numbers N0 through N4. Here, we're going to convert it to date time. And not only that, but we're also only going to grab the data sets that are after 2018 because there was a new game format that was implemented. And this is where we come up with right here. So let's go ahead and run these. All right, to double check that we're getting everything the right way, let's keep on running it. Okay, now right here, we're going to convert everything. First, we're going to stack it, and then we're going to convert everything to a list right here. As we do that, this is the algorithm that we're going to be using. So right now, we're not going to shuffle anything. We're just going to go, we're going to tell our algorithm to go ahead and pick it the way that it's listed right now. We got some lambda functions in there. And then this is the function that we're going to run. So I just did 35 of them today. And I will go ahead and in another video, I will show you what the winnings were from that one. So let's go ahead and run it. We're going to run it 35 times. And these are the numbers that it's going to give us right here. All right, guys, this is a short form. If you got any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know. I will dive more in depth on this algorithm and how it works in another video. And if you're completely new to Python, completely new to the whole lottery and everything else like that, don't worry about that. I got you. I'm going to do some other videos on how to run Jupyter Notebooks. I like Jupyter Notebook only because it's more user friendly than anything. And it saves everything onto the terminal. Same thing with the visual editor as well. But I just like Jupyter Notebooks. So let me know how this works out for y'all, and go ahead and use it as many times as you want. This is all open source. I'm showing you all everything that has made me some good barbecue money. So again, like, comment. If you got any questions, feel free to let me know. And if you want anything, make sure and go ahead and comment on that as well as how many times you ran it and what the outcome was. All right, y'all have a good day.